Welcome to Wellness Wednesday, and today's topic is about PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome. And specifically, PCOS is not just a hormone problem. Welcome back to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, where we get to the root cause, not just the symptoms. PCOS is often seen as a reproductive issue, and it is, but it's more than that. The majority of women with PCOS have underlying insulin resistance. This is metabolic imbalance, which drives your hormones to be chaotic. It's why women gain weight around the middle, struggle with acne, hair loss, facial hair growth, and often experience difficulty conceiving. It's not just about your hormones working against you, it's your blood sugar too. So today's nugget, PCOS is not just hormonal, it's metabolic, and that means it's reversible. I worked with a young woman. She was told to take the pill and just live with it. Instead, she took charge, adopted a keto lifestyle, and in with months, her cycle returned. Her skin cleared up, her mood stabilized, and most importantly, she was able to conceive naturally. Her metabolism changed and her hormones followed. So try this if you suspect PCOS. Track your symptoms, stabilize your meals with protein, healthy fat, reduce sugar. Start with blood sugar so you can get to the root cause. If you want a full breakdown, don't miss my video on PCOS. It just might change how you see your symptoms. I'll see you in the next video.